We have another disturbance in the Gulf that the NHC gives over a 50% chance of going through tropical cyclogenesis within the next 5 to 7 days. Models have gotten even more bullish on extremely cold temperature anomalies as we approach the end of November. The end of the Euro model now also has this amplified trough moving in. More snowfall for the Rockies, possibly the Poconos, and the higher elevation regions of New England is expected. Let's talk about it. We do currently have a large pocket of convection sitting in the Eastern Caribbean that is moving west over the next few days. We do still have very warm waters out ahead of this storm, and it is a low shear environment. With these conditions, I would not be surprised if we did see a tropical system form within the next 5 days. Now, like I've said a few times, at the end of hurricane season, tropical systems that form in the Caribbean and Gulf do tend to trend to the north and to the east. Our latest GFS run does have the storm moving up to the Gulf and moving towards the west coast of Florida. Although remember, this is very far out, so this exact path is likely not to happen, and we will continue to see changes as we move forward. We still see an extremely amplified trough moving west to east across the states about 8 to 9 days out. This could potentially move us into a positive PNA, holding colder temperatures on the east coast for a little bit. And the temperature anomalies being forecast for this time period right now, well, they're pretty crazy. Models show temperatures potentially diving 10 to 20 degrees below average across the southern states. As we inch closer to this weekend, we will have a lot better idea of what we will actually see as we move into later next week. But if this signal holds, get ready for the coldest air of the season so far. And yes, as we move through the next 3 to 4 days, we will see some chances for some more snow in the Rockies and possibly the Poconos and the higher elevation regions in New England, specifically northern Vermont and New Hampshire. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow and leave any questions or concerns you may have down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.